Want to turn your office space into a guest bedroom on a budget? Girl, you are in the right place. This is my old office space, and we are converting it into something more functional for our family during this season of life. The goal with this guest bedroom makeover is to create a cozy, neutral, and simple space for our guests to come, relax, and unwind, all while keeping it budget friendly. I will go into greater detail of if we stayed within our budget for this room makeover, a budget breakdown, and where the money was all allocated. I'm also going to be sharing some design room challenges that we face for this project, and of course, it wouldn't be a DIY room makeover without some challenges. Let's dive in. Starting off with the furniture, I took a risk and we ended up getting this beautiful boucle bed. I think my smile while unboxing it says it all. We ended up purchasing this bed on sale at a local store. However, I have seen one that is almost identical at Target, so I'll leave that link down below as this one is currently on back order. We got this bed frame on super sale for $400, which truly is a steal. But again, a little bit risky as it was just launched. It had 0 reviews. It's also upholstered, and as a professional cleaner, this is worrisome to me. But despite all of my fears, we truly couldn't pass up the price, so we took a leap of faith and ordered it. Assembling the bed was very simple to do. Everything was stored in the back of the bed and it had all of the pieces. Another reason we love this bed is it had the wooden slats and it doesn't require a box spring. I did run into a challenge with this bed, which I didn't film, but it did actually come with a large black mark on one of the pieces. And of course, I didn't notice it until it was all put together. However, customer service has been amazing. They are actually sending a new piece to replace the damaged part of the bed. With this bed being a hot commodity, we do have to wait a few months to receive that replacement part, as again, it's currently on back order. I've created a few blog posts that go into greater detail of the process of this guest bedroom makeover, including things like mood boards, inspiration, budget breakdown, and more. So I will leave those linked down below if you want to check them out. But here are some close-ups of the detailing of the bed frame. I love this wingback detailing. It truly is an absolute dream. Now, to help keep things budget friendly, we are using this old nightstand that we had laying around empty in our hallway. It adds a touch of coastal vibes with the wicker baskets, which I adore as we do live by the beach. This end table was also in both of our daughters' nurseries, and I just love it for that reason as well. It is simple, neutral, and totally fits the space, which leads me into some of our design challenges for this bedroom makeover. Originally, we were trying to map out the room to have a low profile bed go under the window, as it just made sense. This bed would fit under the window, which is partially why we bought it, but this room is so small. Again, we live in a 1960s fixer-upper, not a new build, so we have a few more challenges as the layouts aren't always ideal. Obviously, we ended up going with plan B in terms of placement for this bed frame, which was on this wall, and I think it fits the room better. If it was under the window, number one, it wouldn't be center with the room, and number two, there would be a very tiny space that barely my husband and I could walk on the one side where the closet is, so it just didn't make sense. As you can see, we got our new mattress delivered, and I'm just putting on the sheets that we previously had for our old spare bed. Two things. Number one, this mattress was a splurge. During my decluttering to a more simple home journey, we ended up selling our old mattress. Truthfully, it is my only regret when it comes to decluttering. I wish we would have kept our old mattress, but we didn't. So we spent $700 on this new one. The good part is it's very comfortable and worth the splurge, as we wanted our guests to be as comfortable as possible. We had allocated a ton of money to the bed and the bed frame, as we knew that's where a majority of the room makeover budget would go. Here is one way to style the bed. We're just keeping it neutral with this nice white bright bedding. And I'm also going to share 3 different ways to style this bed. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite when we come back to that. For other decor, I'm spending $0 and just using what we have around the house, including this oversized arch mirror. This is a staple piece for decor and can literally be used anywhere. And then I'm adding that touch of greenery with this real snake plant. It adds some color and actually helps to purify the air as well. I'm going to get into another room challenge we came across, so stick around for that as well as the final reveal. But first, let me know what you think. Option number 1 is all white sheets and bedding. Option number 2 is this cream color, which really isn't even actually an option because challenge number 3 with this bedroom makeover is all of our bedding somehow was stained and had a mold spot on it. So unfortunately, all of it went into the trash, which meant I needed to spend additional money on bedding, which was not in the original plan. But hey, that's DIY and that's room makeovers for you. I found this viral bedding on Amazon and you will not believe the price I paid for all of this new bedding. First of all, it's all voted and rated #1 and top sellers on Amazon, so I was excited about that. Second, when I went to shop, they were on wicked sale at like 50% off, so I knew it was meant to be. The sheet set, which includes a fitted sheet, top sheet, and 2 pillow covers, were on sale for $29.99. I know, a total steal. They are super comfortable, cozy, and so soft that I will be purchasing them again for our primary bedroom next time they are on sale. Again, your girl, like, I very rarely pay full price for anything, and I know that they'll go on sale again eventually. Obviously, I do not know how long they will last, but I will update you guys as I know in a future video. I will be linking all of these details down below of the bed, the bedding, like literally everything for this room makeover will be down below in the description for you if you are interested in shopping any of them. We also ordered the viral duvet insert that we do already have in our primary bedroom, so I knew that it was good quality. We got that on super sale as well for $29.99. One tip that I recommend doing, which I actually forgot to do, so do as I say, not as I do, but size up in your duvet insert to achieve a more luxurious hotel look and feel with your duvet. So if you have a queen size bed, you want a size queen duvet cover and a king duvet insert. I hope that makes sense. For our duvet cover, we got this beautiful natural taupe color. You guessed it, on sale for $31.44. Super random number, I know, but it included the duvet cover as well as the pillow sham set. Both the sheet set and the duvet set covers come in many different options and colors depending on your goals. And again, super affordable even when they're not on sale, but that allowed us to stay within our budget. We ended up paying less than $100 for all of the new bedding. It was $91.42 for the bedding. Again, got it on sale. Super happy with it thus far. Okay, are you ready for the big reveal? Here is our guest bedroom reveal, a neutral, minimal, and simple space for our guests to relax and unwind when they are visiting. There's actually a few things I'd still like to add one day, like a bedroom rug and a few pieces of decor, as I do feel like it's missing something. But if you're new around here, I do not like to rush things and just buy things for the sake of a reveal. So make sure you are subscribed to see what we end up adding in here in the future. And if you are enjoying this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? It really helps my channel as a smaller creator. It tells YouTube to push this video out to more people like you who are into making your house a home, home decor, home DIYs, room transformations, like all the things. So I would greatly appreciate that. With all of that being said, here are some of my final thoughts. Okay, you'll hear me talk a lot about texture, but this duvet cover, look at this, like, just little detailing and the texture of it. I love it. The color is exactly what we were looking for. We got the taupey color and very happy with it. That pillow is really bothering me because it's not choppable like that one. They're actually 2 different pillows, so we'll change that up, but I wanted to get this reveal out for you guys. Also, these sheets are so comfortable and so soft. I think I'm actually ordering them for our primary bedroom. Super affordable and on sale. And then the star of the show, this wingback boucle bed frame. She is so beautiful in all her glory. Again, just look at the texture and all of the detailing. I love it. She also has the black feet, which I really like, and it's lifted off the floor. I just love all of the neutral colors. And then of course the plants add the pop of green. This end table is actually so old. I think it was from Walmart or Wayfair. I think I saw it as well. We have some beach glass on there, just again for a little pop of color. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. I will link everything down below. So under $100 for the 2 shams, the pillowcases, the sheet set, which comes with a fitted sheet, a top or flat sheet, the duvet cover as well, and then the insert. So all of that was under $100. Like, literally can't go wrong if you're in need of a bedding or bedroom makeover or refresh. And then of course we have the knit blanket, which was actually in our primary bedroom, but we switched ours for the Casa Luna. So this one is here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this guest bedroom makeover. If you like DIY room transformations, all on a budget with super affordable decor, I always say think like pretty and practical, kind of bougie on a budget. That is the type of content that I like sharing. And of course, I like to keep things really simple and minimal here in our 1960s fixer-upper. That is all I have for you. We will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for a lot more DIY and room transformations. We got a lot going on in the background. Bye! First up, the bed. Let's try and get this bad boy put together and see if I can do it number 1 by myself and number 2 without getting frustrated. It literally didn't even cut. Maybe send me some wine. This isn't the best start. I also have a sprained thumb, so probably shouldn't be doing this, but there's a lot of things I shouldn't be doing. This thing like probably weighs as much as me. I think I get a grip of it. Oh gosh. It's not working either. Okay, plan Z is to destroy the box. This is heavy. I think you're supposed to destroy the box. I think I want to learn how to build.